Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Pet Malu, Dad. Hello po, I just want to rant this. I'm 16, female. Lumaki ako sa dad ko since OFW si mom, kaya growing up, si dad ang kasama ko. May history si dad sa paggamit ng drugs, and my mom knows it. Pero matagal nang nag-stop si dad sa bisyo niya, so okay na. Or so I thought. Until one night, 15 pa ako noon, I have my own room and si dad natutulog sa living room, which is sa labas lang ng room ko. Bandang 2 a.m., hindi pa ako tulog. I decided to get some snacks from the kitchen and also iihi na rin. Pagbukas ko ng pinto, boogsh! I saw my dad pleasing himself. I was fucking traumatized. He quickly pulled up his pants, but it was too late. I saw it na, and I could not unsee it anymore. I acted na parang wala akong nakita. Nagpanggap na lang ako nakakagising ko lang sabay diretso sa kitchen. And I thought hanggang dun na lang yun. Not until recently, binilhan ako ni mom ng iPad for school. Bad timing lang din kasi nasira yung phone ni dad that time. So I decided na ipahiram sa kanya yung iPad ko since I have my own phone din naman. When I opened my browser, nakita ko yung history ko merong porn site. Ang malala pa, gamit niya yung Google account ko na ginagamit ko rin for school. This incident made me super uncomfortable na naman. Parang bumalik na naman yung trauma ko from last year when I caught him. To this day, I cannot stand being around my dad anymore. I feel so uncomfortable around him. Please give me some advice. I don't know what to do. And to this day, hindi ko ma-open itong bagay na to about my dad kahit kanino, even to my own mom.